Welcome or welcome back to another day of Junk Journal July for 2026. So let's grab our junk journals and get creative together. Maybe you work on today's prompt or just work in a different junk journal project of yours while I catch you up with day 17 of my Junk Journal July challenge. Sorry for being so all over the place this month, and so sorry for the late catch up. Yeah, like I explained, there was a bit too much life happening at the same time, and the move and everything got a bit more crazy than I anticipated it to be. But I am really, really looking forward to settling back in and building a creative workspace for myself again. And I'm really looking forward to that. But first, I will take you all along on the journey as well. But first, let's just have a bit of creative fun together for the last days of Junk Journal July. Here I share with you the spread I created for the prompt of envelope for day 17. And the outcome is really one of my favorites for this month so far. I decided to use the little celestial inspired mini envelope I included in our journaling kit for the Junk Journal July challenge and use a spread in my junk journal which has 2 envelopes on both sides. And I first did glue down the little envelope here, assembled it and then glued it onto the transparent envelope. And as always, we have to add the little tag of the prompt of the day. And then I decided to lean into the celestial kind of vibes, even though this theme will be another one later down the line. Is it today? Oh, I have to look at the prompt sheet. Maybe it's, I know I have celestial as one of the prompts in the end of July. I'm kind of losing the overview as I'm so far behind with the editing. Yeah, but I had a lot of fun with this spread and I feel like it turned out really, really cute. I did decide to add a bunch of washi tape and stickers that remind me of like these little stamps. Those are also from the Printable, and I just collaged them all over the envelopes before getting out some old book pages and a pencil to add a little work of art for inside the translucent envelope to round out the page. Yeah, like I said, I hope you have fun with the Junk Journal July challenge anyways, and hopefully just enjoy watching my creative process, even though it's a bit late. And hopefully for the next creative challenge, I will be again able to keep up with the daily uploads more regular. And here I decided to draw the sun and the moon to include into the spread. I tried this month's Junk Journal July to include some more of my illustrations into the spreads and kind of make it a bit more like I approach my sketchbook pages in a way. And I really like how those turned out, even though it kind of also took way more time out of the day. And maybe that was a bit of a mistake looking back on those busier days of this month. But yeah, I guess you just can try and learn in the process. And in the end, it's kind of worth it. So I'm happy that I did, even though it kind of put me a bit off track in a way. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really, really happy. And I hope you are still having fun with the Junk Journal July challenge. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating.